Cudet, Cass Valley, and Yakima Valley. Blizzard warning in effect until 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Sunday. What? Blizzard conditions, especially mid-morning through mid-evening with winds diminishing tonight. Additional snow accumulations of 5 to 10 inches. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour this afternoon. Where? Cudet, Cass Valley, and Yakima Valley. When? Until 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Sunday. Additional details. Travel could be very difficult to impossible due to blowing and drifting snow. Areas of blowing snow will significantly reduce visibility. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Winter storm